There is no frustration and no aggression of anyone else's to which to react.
Some children who are not aggressive break no balloons at all. They are simply not interested in the idea of breaking. Other children, who are also not particularly aggressive, are like Terry. They like the fun of breaking balloons, but they are easy and casual about it.
I like how they pop.
You like how they pop? Did you ever pop any? You want to pop some of these?
It has to stuck with them.
Is it fun to break them?